They are not burnt, but they are. You don't have to be a cricket fan to know what happens when India and Pakistan play a cricket match. Anywhere in the world. It doesn't have to be in India. Pakistan में तो खेलते नहीं है. It doesn't matter what numbers say. India might be ahead, but the tension is always high. And to cope with this tension, if there's something that people prepare is food. Today, I have two dishes with me, two iconic dishes from two nations. We have the Lucknow special Galouti Kebab, and we have Pashtun style Chapli Kebab on the other side. I have not yet tried both of these dishes at an authentic place, so I have not yet felt that melt in mouth kind of thing, but I'm gonna attempt them today. But before we go, do subscribe to the channel. More such videos are coming. The T20 World Cup is just getting started. Let's go make both the kebabs. And here we are. We have the Galouti Kebab and the Chapli Kebab. From whatever videos and images I have looked up, look-wise, I might have nailed them. But if there's one thing I can really say, these are not melt in mouth. Definitely not melt in mouth. Taste-wise, they are very different. The Chapli Kebab has it has everything from onion, tomato, green chili, ginger, garlic, coriander. But on the other side, Galouti Kebab has nothing. It has spices, but nothing. Good thing they are not burnt, but they are salty. Whatever happens on the field, on the cricket stadium, in the match is not in our control. What we can do is switch on the TV and have a good time, watch some good cricket being played, and cheer for our teams, for our respective nations. And eat good food. Why not? The World Cup has just started. There are lots of matches to go, and I am going 1v1 battle shots where I take one dish from each country and do a battle of flavors. So stay tuned, subscribe, send this to your friends and family who love cricket and love food. And let's try and experiment all kinds of cuisines that we can get our hands on during this World Cup. Ciao. नमक नमक हो गया.